Hey everyone, we are winding up our 2024 year and heading briskly into 2025. And I just want to thank all of you for your past business, for future business. And I want to make sure all of you know that we are a resource for you. There's been a lot of damage in our area, and our hearts go out to all of those who had damage. We are in the process of cleaning up our own. Some of the members of our team had damage as well, and we want to be a resource in the fact that we have proper vendors that are incredible. People that we've used in the past, contractors, plumbers, electricians, roofers. We have all of that access for you. So if you are in need of any of those things, please reach out to us. Again, we want to be there for you. If you need help with a market evaluation or a land value, or would it be better to fix up my house or sell it as is, we're here for you. We can do that for you with no obligation whatsoever. So again, we just want to be a resource, and we want to thank you for everything in the past and wish you an incredible 2025, incredible holidays coming up. And again, if you need us, we're here for you. We love you all.